Hello traders and welcome to our OptionsXO London Session Daily Market Review for Wednesday, April the 27th. Starting off in Asian markets. Asian shares ended down yesterday, erasing gains from earlier in the session as oil volatility increased risk aversion and both US and European indexes had ended down. The Nikkei was down as yens maintained strength against the USD amidst hopes of expanded stimulus from the central bank tomorrow, and Australian equities fell after markets opened following a long weekend. In China, The Economist reports a spike in consumption despite the economic slowdown, with car sales up 10% and a rise in online commerce of nearly 40% year on year. Moving on to US markets. The Dow and S&P closed 0.1% higher last night, and the Nasdaq equal parts lower as both the Case-Shiller Home Price Index and markets PMIs failed to meet expectations. Consumer confidence in the US is down 2 points as the Fed gets ready to release its monetary statement later today. Dollar sentiment remains bearish and lacking a statement from Chair Janet Yellen. Traders will be scrutinizing the language of the statement for hints of future actions towards the next meeting in June. And in European markets, mixed trading yesterday saw the FTSE and Euro stocks up 0.33% and the CAC and DAX equally down as trading ended. Encouraging corporate earnings reports helped buoy up indexes, with BP up 2.3% and 16% of Euro stocks companies beating expectations. In the UK, Barack Obama's warning against the Brexit has had the opposite effect, with 2% more of the public now favouring the move. That's 46%, 2 months ahead of the vote. That, based on a Daily Telegraph phone poll yesterday. In commodities highlights, crude oil jumped yesterday, and WTI futures are currently headed towards the $45 mark. Strong investor sentiment and a weakening dollar are behind the bull market, but a flag is currently forming at the $44.50 mark. Gold pared Monday's gains yesterday but recovered overnight. It's currently testing resistance at $12.48 as bankers await Japanese data tonight and tomorrow's central bank policy statement. Today's important economic events: the UK's quarterly and yearly GDP readings at 8:30 a.m. GMT. Traders are expecting a slight drop in both, as UK growth factors have been underperforming lately. At 2 p.m. GMT, the US pending home sales will be out, and a half hour later, the EIA's crude oil report, indicating the change in inventories. At 6 p.m., the US Federal Reserve Open Market Committee will release its monetary policy statement, and at 9 p.m., New Zealand will be following suit. Finally, at 11:30, Japan will release a stream of data including consumer price indexes, unemployment, household spending, retail and industrial production. This was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.